And it's gonna start raining here about 4 p.m. This might be cool enough for me to try and save at least the back patch. School. Homeless guy, Goodwill haul. We got girls with guns, because I'm a guy and I'm unarmed. Isn't that funny? The Big Lebowski type vibe. Very, very warm, which is gonna be helpful. Hoping that one of them works. Litson Trail Ride t-shirt. Riding for Laura Litson Leonard. Ride orange, get your kicks on Route 66. Hell yeah. Total money saved, $0.00. You're goddamn right. The snow, the snow, the snow. Oh, the snow. We're in the thick of it. Let's go park somewhere and camp out. The promised land. Oh boy.